Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel English Pro 1. In this video, I am going to share with all of you English vocabulary that we use in our daily life. Let's get started. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it right now. Thank you so much. Now we are coming to our topic, that is the first one that we have, that is an English vocabulary. First word we have, that is lemmy. The meaning of lammy is a weak or decibel in a limb, especially a leg, making it difficult to walk properly. That means you can't walk well as you walk before. Lamb. The meaning of lammy is weak or decibel in a limb, especially a leg, making it difficult to walk properly. Example: the lamb horse struggled to keep up with the others. That means the lamb horse tried to keep up with the others, but the horse can't struggled because the horse was lammy, decibel, and a limp. That means especially a leg, making it difficult to walk properly. You can't, if you are limp, so you can't walk properly. Next we have, that is syphilis. Syphilis. The meaning of syphilis is a chronic bacterial infection usually spread by sexual contact. That means this disease spread or expand through, that means by sexual contact, causing a range of symptoms including sores, rash, and damage to various organs if left untreated. Example of syphilis is that syphilis can be effectively treated with antibiotics if diagnosed early. If you diagnosed it early, so it can be effectively treated with antibiotics. Next important word we have, that is hoarseness. Hoarseness. The meaning of hoarseness is that a rough or rush quality of the voice, often resulting from inflammation or infection of the throat. Example: we have example of hoarseness. After shooting at the concert, she woke up with hoarseness the next morning. That means when she spent time in the concert, after that she woke up with hoarseness the next morning. Next important word we have, that is tonsil. And tonsil meaning, the meaning of tonsil is one of two small masses of lymphoid tissue located on either side of the back of the throat, which can become inflamed and cause a sore throat. It causes a sore throat. Example of tonsil is that the doctor examined her tonsils to see if they were infected. That means that if they were infected, the doctor examined her tonsils. The meaning of tonsil is that one of two small masses of lymphoid tissue located on either side of the back of the throat, which can become inflamed and cause a sore throat. Next word we have, that is obesity. Obesity. The meaning of obesity is the state of being grossly fat or overweight. It means when you increase your weight or increase, the increasing of weight is known as obesity. The state of being grossly fat or overweight mean increased weight, often resulting in health problems. It means it makes a lot of problems. It makes a lot of problems in health. Example: obesity is a major risk factor for many chronic disease. Obesity is a major mean big, risk mean danger, factor mean thing. for many chronic disease. Next word we have, it is very important and integral. You should learn it must. A feeling, guidance. Guidance mean a feeling of dizziness or lightheadedness, often making it difficult to maintain balance. That means make it difficult to maintain balance. Example, she felt giddiness when she stood up too quickly. Next word we have, that is tumor. And tumor mean, the meaning of tumor is an abnormal growth of tissue in the body which can be being non-cancerous or malignant. Cancerous, malignant mean cancerous, and benign or benign mean non-cancerous. Example, the doctor ordered further tests to determine the nature of the tumor. Next word we have, that is gland. An organ or structure in the body that produces a specific substance, such as hormones or enzymes, which are secreted into the bloodstream or other parts of the body. Example of gland is that the thyroid gland regulates metabolism. That means thyroid is a gland which regulates metabolism. Next word we have, that is throat sore. Throat sore. The meaning of throat sore is that pain or discomfort in the throat, often caused by inflammation or infection. So now we are coming to the example of throat sore. She gargled with salt water to soothe her sore throat. That means she tried to gargle with salt water to soothe her sore throat. Next word we have, that is sneezing. Sneezing. The meaning of sneezing is that a sudden involuntary explosion. Involuntary mean that which cannot be controlled, are out of our control. We cannot control this action. It happens sometime. Explosion of air from the lungs, typically caused by irritation of the nasal mucosa. Mucosa or allergies. Example of sneezing is that the bright light made her start sneezing uncontrollably. Example of the sneezing is that the bright light made her start sneezing uncontrollably.